In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see projects in thumbnail view in DaVinci Resolve. If you're looking at your projects and want a more visual way to browse them, DaVinci Resolve makes that very simple. Switching to thumbnail view can help you quickly recognize projects by their preview image instead of only reading through a list, which is especially useful if you have multiple timelines or similarly named projects. To begin, look toward the bottom right corner of the DaVinci Resolve interface. There you'll find the Home button. Go ahead and click that to return to the main project page. This is the area where all of your saved projects are displayed, so if you're currently inside an open project, this step takes you back to the screen where you can manage and choose between them. Once you're on the home page, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. In that section, you should see a thumbnail icon. This icon controls how your projects are displayed. Click on that thumbnail icon and your project view will switch to thumbnail mode. That's all you need to do. After switching, your projects will appear as visual thumbnails, making it easier to scan through them at a glance. This can be a much more convenient layout if you prefer working visually, especially when you're trying to find a specific project quickly without opening each one. If you don't immediately notice the change, just make sure you are definitely on the home page because the thumbnail option appears there when you are viewing your project library. Also, depending on your version of DaVinci Resolve, the icon may look slightly different, but it will still be located in the top right area of the project screen. This is a very small setting, but it can make navigating your projects feel much smoother and more organized. If you work with DaVinci Resolve often, little interface adjustments like this can save time and make your workflow more comfortable. So again, just click the Home button in the bottom right, then click the thumbnail icon in the top right, and your projects will be shown in thumbnail view.